I don't bring una matter from Lagos Commissioner of Police. For now, we know now my name na Hakeem Odumosu. Yes, and due to the high level of kidnapping now where they happen for Nigeria, some parts of Lagos to be specific, they call her out for interview. Say okay, as the boss, what do you have to say concerning all this kidnapping wey dey happen everywhere? And this one happen for Arise TV. I go use the same English wey this man use so that I no go add and I no go reduce. He say we don't have any verified evidence about the report of kidnappings, and he talk say as long as Lagos is concerned, kidnapping in Lagos is 0.0% level, meaning say there's no kidnapping in Lagos, in case you don't understand. So I bring a call on her side so that I go listen to wetin the man dey talk by himself. I better put the video, make them watch.
Also been, I think we got some tweets here from an intelligence agency that have been putting out reports about kidnappings that have been taking place even here in Lagos. Some of them taking place with via vehicles that are tinted, with tinted windows and so on and so forth. So this menace isn't just Okadas and motorcycles, Commissioner. Are you aware of these kidnappings that have been happening?
No, mostly, I don't know for reasons best known. Most of those things they are circulating are even some old stories that are being recirculated. But because our own now we work with empirical evidences. So if something happens to somebody now, and we have evidences now in respect of that, those are the ones that work on. But notwithstanding, so any information I've had, I recently got that information that in Zulu way during the traffic, so somebody sent one so maybe about Osborne, so when I'm verging to the Koyi, coming from Mobalinde, and as well as Lekki is one, precisely so at Admiralty Way. So all those ones are taken care of. But from our record, so kidnapping in Lagos is seriously on almost 0.010 level, kidnapping in Lagos.
Olori Buruku ni man yo. He said there's no evidence of kidnapping in Lagos. I know understand. Another Lagos day. Lagos in London. I be Lagos in where? Lagos in Ghana. I be no. I dey try understand if na the same Lagos wey me and you know. Because if na the Lagos wey me and you know, the rate of kidnapping is high. No, not be every day we dey hear different matter. Today they do from this side, tomorrow they do from this one, tomorrow. Every day, this charcoal don't come outside now, they tell us say they don't have evidence. No, how will you people have evidence? When you are not doing your work, how will you have evidence? Okay, may we just assume. No, may we just, let's support him small. He doesn't have evidence. All the evidence we have brought to them, what have they done about it? Because they know they do their work, abi fine. So we with the videos where people they post, with the reports where people they post everywhere, different things where they happen for social media. Say you feel see am. So what have they done concerning all those ones that we have brought to them? Just listen to wetin they come out for. No, una no dey understand. This one are the oga. Listen to wetin they come out for a mouth. I just they pray, saying loved ones. No, I like me they taste am. By the time they kidnap in loved one, you go come tell us say there is evidence. So now there is no evidence because you no consign now, you no consign anybody for a family. Bam. All these are uniform people, they need to be examined. Seriously, they need to go for checkup. They need to go and reset that thing. Now only for Lekki Toll Gate, these people get strength. You go see them now, they go show their power. I'm not going even dey surprised if this one they get in share from the ransom where they pay. Because you don't come outside now, do like say no get anything to do with this one, no, and this one, no. No, this one no be shame. Me wanna tell me. This thing wanna hear from this man mouth now, no be shame. Country where everybody they are aware of kidnapping. Except uniform people, the boss for that matter, no be shame. una continue not to dey get evidence. Una no dey watch TV. Una no dey listen to radio, news for radio. Una no dey read newspaper. So how come una no know una? No problem. We will agree. You don't have evidence. There's no wahala. But we, in fact, make I even use myself, me particularly, I go continue to dey bring una evidence. Na my work. Since una no get evidence, I go help una dey bring the evidence. People like this, my people like this, my wey una just watch. They no suppose dey work for position wey dey give am. It's a big shame. But wetin we go do? And na wetin come to us, so we go manage am like that. Na wetin some of una vote for, so we go manage am like that until their time expire. So wetin you gats talk concerning this one? Drop am for that comment section, and no forget to share this video. Make everybody know say Lagos Commissioner of Police say no get evidence. So very important, make our fellow Nigerians know wetin dey shele right now, and make sure say you subscribe to. If not, you no go dey get interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.